I was given these Astoria Smart Permanent LED lights to test out by putting them up on my house. They come with 2 bags of the lights, the controller that connects to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and then the power source, along with a ton of extra little clips, so many you won't need them all. Getting this connected to Wi-Fi was super easy. I just took it next to the router and the option to connect popped right up on the app. I plugged them in and the lights turned right on. A nice, awesome, bright color. I'm excited to get these outside and test them out. I did play a little bit more with these. I wanted to see what they looked in different colors, so I just went into the app, picked blue, and then boom, turned blue immediately. It's time to get these up. First step, set up your camera, crawl back through the window so you can pretend like you're coming out for the first time. Then I cleaned everything up with Windex. The instructions say to use an alcohol-based solution, but I had Windex on hand, so it's what I used. Then I just started connecting the light strands. Super easy. Everything locks in real tight. There's an adhesive on the back of these, and that's how you put it on your house. You just peel it off and stick it right on, and it's that simple. Because of this vent in my path, I just secured it on either sides of the vent with the extra clips they gave me, and you couldn't tell the difference. I always made sure to run my fingers along the cable to make sure that it was straight, and then adhere it just by holding it for a couple of seconds. It is sincerely no more complex than that. Peel, stick, repeat. Obviously, I already had lights on my house when Astoria asked me to try these out, but I love how much they add. Plus, they have architectural capabilities, meaning you can control each bulb individually, make whatever color you want, and highlight the accents of your house for lighting all year round. Plus, they have hundreds of preset options, including your favorite sports teams. You open any folder, there's a ton of options, you just turn them on, and if you like them, you save them to a favorites folder. I wish the videos and pictures did these justice. The colors in real life are so much deeper and more vibrant, and I really like these.